I don't know why this is so satisfying to watch, but apparently 17 million people agree with me. This Instagram page has gained 56,000 followers with only 150 posts, and their videos of AI-generated silicone faces being squeezed are racking up millions of views. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make them yourself step by step. Let's get into it. First, head over to ChatGPT and click Explore GPTs. Search for AI ASMR Face Generator and choose mine. Hit Start Chat and then click to start the generator. It's going to ask you a few questions about what you want your face to look like. You can either describe it or upload a reference image. I'll show you both, starting with describing it. I'm going to type angry, fair skin tone, female, and nothing to let the AI decide the rest. Hit enter and it'll give you a detailed image prompt and a video prompt to bring it to life. Copy the image prompt and then head over to OpenArt. I've left a link in the description below. In OpenArt, click on Create Image, and this is what you'll see. Click on Model, then select Nano Banana 2 as your image model. Paste your prompt in, set your aspect ratio to 9:16, resolution to 2K, choose how many images you want, and hit Generate. And this is what mine looks like. I think it looks great, so let's move on. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt. Then go back to OpenArt and click Image to Video on the right side. Click on Model and select Kling 3.0 as your video model and paste the video prompt in. Make sure the audio toggle is turned on, set your duration to 15 seconds, and quality to 1080p. Then hit Generate, and your video should look something like this. Now let me show you how to do it with a reference image. Go back to the GPT and restart it. Wait for it to load, and this time upload the image you want to reference and hit enter. It's going to tell you the key details of your image and ask what mood you want the face to have. I'm going to type surprised for this one. So just hit enter and it'll give you a new image prompt and video prompt designed for your character. Now just follow the exact same steps as before, but this time drag your reference image into the prompt box in OpenArt. Then generate your image and video the same way as before. And this is the final result, the one I showed you at the very start of the video. So that's the full workflow. Everything you need to make these videos is linked in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you in the next one.